Sherine, you just have finished some nativity scene made out of birds. How was it for you translating the biblical nativity scene, the birth of Jesus, into a drama with birds?
It was really nice. It was great indeed. Combining these two ideas together gave me another layer of understanding things. And as we say, birds are in French we say messengers of God. So of the message of life, I would say, it's better. And putting them with the nativity scene, I think it's great. I enjoyed it, doing the colors, and it was really nice.
In the middle with Mary and Joseph and of course Jesus, you have quite a steady, quite a concentrated scene. But in the heavens, with the heavenly birds, well, angels, and with the shepherd and the three kings, you have a lot of dynamics. How do you bring that together?
It's funny because you are giving me some stuff I saw, but by listening to you, I'm discovering again the paintings. Yeah, it's still Jesus, Mary, and Joseph are in fact still, and I think because it's a point of focus, and it appears. You know, when you are absorbed by what you are doing, the drawing appears. I didn't think and thought about it. I knew it was movement that should be around it, so I just draw movement. So, it was your question?
This was my question, indeed. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. I see you have worked a lot on Mary and Joseph as the parents of Jesus. They are bowing down from above. That's a very familiar scene. Well, not a familiar scene, it's a family scene. What were your thoughts about the parents of Jesus?
Nurturing Jesus. This new seed. You know, it's an attitude of love. I think love, synonym of love, is to nurture, to take care, to... Yeah, it's nourishing. This was what I felt, you know. It's more the feeling who appears, that feeling who appears.
So nurturing not only with food, but also with love.
Yeah, and with the observation, and yeah, it's a seed story. Taking care, letting it grow. Yeah, this was putting the focus where you put your focus on, everything flows.
You have a message.
Yeah, we said from the birds, through the paintings, we co-create together, I would say, and with the birds. Their message is really clear because, you know, they are messengers from God, but also it's through them that we gave letters and everything a long time ago. So the message of the paintings is just that we are Jesus. And we should see ourselves like him. We put ourselves in the center, put yourself in the center of life, and just let abundance from the roi mage, how we say, the kings, come. The vitality from the shepherd's vitality, the force, the strength from the shepherd comes through you. The nourishment from the parents comes through you. The good ideas from the birds, from the angel, from the universe come to you. Just accept all this love coming towards you, because when you accept all this love, and it's not easy because we are not used to that, but when you accept who you really are, you can give more to life. So accept all this abundance coming to you.
So thank you very much for sharing this with us.
Voila.
About what you have put and thought about the pictures.
Thank you to you.
Thank you very much.
Voilà.